Welcome to CDG Inspection, a globally recognized leader in testing and inspection services. Ensuring the highest quality and compliance for electroplated fasteners. Our advanced laboratory is equipped to perform precise and reliable tests on fasteners as per ISO 4042 standards. Our testing process includes evaluating coating thickness, adhesion, and corrosion resistance. We test electroplated coatings such as zinc, nickel, chromium, and more to ensure durability and performance. At CDG Inspection, quality assurance is at the heart of everything we do. Our corrosion resistance tests simulate real-world conditions to guarantee product longevity. We help manufacturers comply with global standards, boosting their market credibility. Our testing services cater to industries like automotive, aerospace, construction, and more. Our expert team is committed to delivering accurate and timely results. At CDG Inspection, customer satisfaction is our priority. We provide detailed and transparent reports for every test conducted. Our services are trusted by clients worldwide for their reliability and excellence. Visit our website at www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry about our ISO 4042 testing services. CDG Inspection, ensuring quality, one test at a time.